what's that noise? Is it you on my hearing aid? Is that a camera?
Don't know. Where do you think it is?
What's put me off is that road going up there. I can't. Oh, that's Pedrigue. That's would be probably no.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
It's like a farm or something down there. See it?
Oh, yeah.
I can't think of it.
On the road to Bernia. What
About
goodies?
plasters.
Plasters for what?
Just in case we fall over.
Just in case your bunions start bleeding.
No, they know they.
So,
Beautiful colour green.
here she is, the mountain goat in her natural surrounding.
There's a lot over there. I recognise those.
Good path.
Really good. Yeah. Good.
Yellow and white thing there.
And that's Altea.
Come on! Jesus Christ, you're not scaling Everest, man. Look at it. Mountain goat Jeannie James in her natural environment. Come on, here we go then. Really?
Remember in Pizarra? I wonder if there's any dead goats down there. Oh, put buggers.
Where is she? Some kind of cave system here that allows you to get through to the other side. Although it's a bit colder in here. Jesus Christ. Oh, we got it. Dude, that was hard. Bloody hell. Oh, now back to the other side. Come on. You're making a meal of that? Come on, man.
You shut up, you. be 65 one day.
I hope I die before that. Come here.
No, you'll pull me, you will.
I won't, man. Here we are, look, put in. It's a bit harder than it looked, that path. Oh, we're an hour from the car now, so looking forward to a bit of food. Ah, come on, where is she? Hey, there we are. How are your knees? How are your knees?
Bad. Bad.
So we're down the mountain now. Half a kilometre to the car. How are your legs, ma'am? How are your legs?
My legs are like jelly. My feet belong to somebody else. And I'm glad to be almost back and ready to eat. And drink.
And drink?
And drink. Una caña, por favor.
That's the only Spanish you know. How do you think of the meat?
Oh my God, no. We've had any lamb. Is any lamb
Savage.
there?
I don't know. Which one's the lamb?
Hmm?
Which one's the lamb?
Looks like somebody's eyelash.